Welcome again, class. So let's have a different topic this time to be discussed. It's all about dividing polynomials. So let me share my screen. Okay, so dividing polynomials. This one is made by my student and the other one too about yung um English topic natin last time about indefinite pronouns. Okay, so next is we will be starting to discuss this now. So dividing polynomials. So next, dividing polynomials. Dividing polynomials is an arithmetic, or when we say arithmetic, it's a mathematical operation where we divide a polynomial by another polynomial, generally to a lesser degree as compared to the dividend. The division of two polynomials may or may not result in a polynomial. Let's learn about dividing polynomials in this article in detail. So when we say kasi polynomials, it is an algebraic expression with more than two terms. If it's only one, monomial. If it's two, binomial. If it's three or more, it's polynomial. Poly means many, like sa polygons, diba? What is dividing polynomials? So, polynomials are algebraic expression that consist of variables and coefficients. So when we say variables, letters. When we say coefficient, numbers. While if the number is not having a variable or a letter, it is called constant. It is written in the following format: 5x squared plus 6x minus 17, wherein 5 is the coefficient and 6. X, i- X and X are the variables or letters sila, diba? While 17 is only a constant because it doesn't have a variable. This polynomial has three terms that are arranged according to their degree. The term with the highest degree is placed first, followed by, and the two above the x is the exponent. So the term with the highest degree is placed first, followed by the lower ones. Dividing polynomials is an algorithm to solve a rational number that represents a polynomial divided by a monomial or another polynomial. The divisor and the dividend, when we say divisor, it is outside the the divide sign, di ba? It is outside the divide sign. Like for example, um the divisor here is 6x minus 25. The dividend is 5x squared plus 7x plus 25. The one that we are dividing is the dividend, and the one we divide the dividend to is the divisor. So, the divisor and the dividend are placed exactly the same way as we do for regular division. For example, if we need to divide 5x squared plus 7x plus 21 by 6x minus 25, we write it in this way. The polynomial written on the top of the bar is the numerator, 5x plus 7x plus 25. 5x squared plus 7x plus 25. Okay, while the polynomial written below yan na wrong type lang. The bar is is the denominator. 8x 25. This can be understood by the following or 8 um by the following figure, which shows that the numerator becomes the dividend and the denominator becomes the divisor. Okay, next. Okay. So dividing polynomials by monomials. While dividing polynomials by monomials, the division can be done in two ways. One is by simply separating the positive and negative operator signs. That means we break the polynomial from the operating sign and solve each part separately. Another method is to do the simple factorization and further simplifying, and let us have a look at both methods in detail. Splitting the terms. Wait. Splitting. Okay. Okay. So, slideshow. Splitting the terms method. Split the terms or paghiwalayin Separate of the terms of the polynomial separated by the operator positive or negative between them and simplify each term. For example, 4x squared minus 6x plus 2x can be solved as shown here. We first take common terms. This one is terms from the numerators and denominators of both terms. We get 4x divided by 2x minus 6x divided by 2x. Canceling the common term 2x from the numerator and the denominator, we get 2x minus 3. So factorization method, on the other hand, when you divide polynomials, you may have to factor the polynomial to find a common factor between the and the numerator and the denominator. Okay. And uh, for example, divide the following polynomial. 2x plus 4x plus 2x. Both the numerator and denominator have common factor of x, right? Greatest common factor. Thus, the expression can be written as 2x parenthesis x plus 2 divided by 2x. Canceling out the common term 2x, we get x plus 2 as the answer. Dividing polynomials by binomials. For dividing polynomials by binomials or any other type of polynomial, the most common and general method is the long division method, where or when there are no common factors between the numerator and the denominator, or if you can't find the factors, you can use the long division process to simplify the expression. Dividing polynomials using the long division. For dividing polynomials by binomials or any other type of polynomial, the most common and general method is the long division method. When there are no common factors between the numerator and the denominator, or if you can't find the factors, you can use the long division process to simplify the expression, like this one. 4x squared minus 5x minus 1. So 4x squared divided by x is 4x. 4x times x is 4x squared. Next is 4x times negative 3 is negative 12x. Now, subtract, so it becomes 7x. 7x divided by x is positive 7. 7 times x is 7x. Then bring down 21. Then subtract, so we have no remainder. So dividing polynomials using long division. Divide the first term or the dividend for x squared by the first term of the x, of the divisor x, and put that as the first term in the quotient for x. Step 2, multiply the divisor by that answer. Place the product for x squared minus 12x below the dividend. Step 3, subtract to create a new polynomial, 7x minus 1, and repeat the same process when the new polynomial obtained after subtraction. So thank you. Okay, thank you. And God bless. Oh, wait. Uh, wait lang. Mm. Because it is being converted kasi from PDF file into a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so let us have a text box. Thank you and God bless. And God bless. God bless. Okay. Okay, center natin. Okay, thank you and God bless class. See you again next educational vlog. Bye-bye. God bless you. Thank you.